I go underwater.
You go underwater? Let me see. Let me see. Go underwater. What? Lexi, can you swim underwater?
No.
Let me see you. Go underwater and say cheese. You're being a stinker.
Mom, watch me. Bella. Take a picture of me.
That's so awesome, Macy. I am.
Macy, you want to learn how to do that? Plug your nose. Here, watch. Remember, you plug your nose and keep your mouth shut. Okay? Yeah. Ready? Ready? Plug your nose and keep your mouth shut.
Lexi, go underwater and smile. Can you do it?
See? You can